At this point, almost everyone should be aware of how an evaluation is conducted. If they have yet to be evaluated at ACS, they probably have had an evaluation somewhere else. Currently, these evaluations that affect pay raises are not conducted by team leaders. However, their input would be valuable to the assessment. You don't have to wait for any specific time to write an evaluation. It should be done whenever the time is available. A good written evaluation has benefits to the team leader and cleaning technician, such as the cleaners get solid feedback, both negative and positive, to use on improvement. An evaluation will show weaknesses for the cleaning tech, trainer, and management. It's useful in establishing the need for a raise. And doing a one-on-one evaluation gives both workers a chance to speak on any current issues within the company. Even though most team leaders are aware of the importance of an evaluation, many don't know how to write one effectively. You should start by being as prepared as possible with any inspection sheets or write-ups. Take the time to write up your own review of the employee before you meet with them. Another option is to have the cleaning tech write their own review. Then you can go over it with them, adding your own comments. When it comes down to writing the evaluation, bear in mind what the goals are for the meeting. You want to reward good work and point out areas needing improvement. The meeting shouldn't be all negative. Overall, an evaluation should be a positive experience for you and the cleaning technician. You should both leave the meeting feeling that areas needing improvement will be worked on together. The evaluation should be made up of many different sections. Here are a number of sections commonly used in an evaluation. General work ability, level to which the individual possesses necessary skills, abilities, and knowledge to carry out job duties. Quality, how is the cleaner represented in work inspection sheets? Are they consistently up to the company standards? Deadlines. Does the cleaning technician remain productive and adapt to schedule changes while still meeting time restraints for sites? Demeanor. To what level does the cleaning technician keep a positive attitude and follow company policy and rules? Safety. Does the technician work safely and report hazards? Communication. How well does a cleaning technician react to directions? Do they stay in constant contact with management? Reliability. Does a technician meet deadlines and adhere to time constraints, always at weekly meetings on time? Teamwork. How well does a cleaning technician work with other or new team members? Initiative. Does a cleaning technician take small steps on their own to make improvements, or do they seek greater responsibility? Adaptation. How well can the individual adapt to their changing work environment? Judgment. Do the decisions made by the cleaning technician seem logical and correct? Attendance. Excessive time off, call-outs, or adjustments to the schedule. And company policy. How well does the individual understand and follow company policy? Team leaders should always be in the habit of doing a quick inspection every time they enter a home or business. Get a good idea of what is frequently missed around homes: door frames, ceiling fans, etc. The most common problem areas are general dusting, bathrooms, kitchens, and floors. Use the inspection sheets in the policy manual or updated inspection forms. Leave comments for both the good and the bad, and be sure to share your findings with the cleaning tech. When problems arise with time being spent on a job, a productivity study needs to take place. If you're already familiar with the job site, you should know how long a job should take. If someone is well over this time constraint, take the time to watch them work and document everything they do to waste time. Perhaps the cleaner is frequently unprepared or taking extra trips to the car. They could be out of the cleaning system and adding another 10 minutes to their time. After you've observed their work, pull them aside to explain what you noticed. This is not meant to nitpick, but just to give some speed cleaning tips. Feel free to offer all the tips you've picked up over the years.